Hello YouTubers, welcome back to iTechnology Reviews. We got the Android 7 Nougat, the new Android installed on the phone. We have a tutorial. If you don't saw the tutorial and you don't know how to install, please watch that tutorial. Don't skip it, guys. Make your backup on the phone to back up your messages, your contacts. This Android is awesome. So what I see new in this Android is this Viper for Android FX. This FX, you can put an equalizer. It's more complex than the stock equalizer, and you can use it even on the Bluetooth. So we will do a review for if we are at the music chapter. We will do a review for the high-res music and the power amp, the new power amp, and this phone is high-res. Yes, this Android is redesigned. The icons are completely different from the Android 6, and what I noticed is that you can select the performance, you can customize it. For example, you can select, let's dim the light a little bit, you can select the normal, the game, entertainment, or high performance. And this is kind of nice because you can save the battery. If you are not using in performance mode, you can use it in a normal mode to save battery. In performance mode, for example, you can use it if you are gaming, and with that game tools Samsung Edge offers, it's great. It will help with that game tools. If you can see now in the performance mode, it will tell you maximum performance in the lock screen. And now at the lock screen, for example, in the display, you can select even the always on display, and with always on display you can select the layout that you want. The clocks, if you see, are redesigned, small redesigned clocks, and here you can put the colors as you please. A new thing you can see here in these widgets, in these shortcuts, we had the flashlight, but we have the blue light filter. This is a new thing, blue light filter. And I don't know if this is a new thing, but we have the phone visibility, the quick connect phone. The quick connect connects with your devices, your TV, your computer, other phones, to send really quick your photos, your videos over the network or just by Wi-Fi. A new NFC services I didn't see on the Android 6 is the S-Beam, that it was removed here. So activate the S-Beam on the Note, for example, and activate here. Let me show you at the NFC connections, NFC and payment, the Android Beam. So at the Android Beam, go in gallery. For example, let's suppose you want to send a photo. So here's a photo, I want to send it. And now share it, Android Beam, and put the device back in the back, and you can see here it's incoming beam. It's starting to transfer and share very quickly to the other phone. So this is a good thing. Another thing, you have auto brightness like in all Androids, but you have show control on top. One small detail in this Android. And another detail, you can slide your shortcuts, these shortcuts to, you can slide to pages of all these shortcuts. Another thing that Android 7 does have, for example, if you don't have PIN on your phone and you make the fingerprint, you make the starting with your fingerprint, you know, when you restarted the phone, it asks you a code in 4 digits, for example. But in this 7 Nougat Android, you can release your Android only with your finger, so it's not necessarily when you restart your phone to put that code again. So this is a good thing. For example, if you don't have PIN on your SIM card, it will restart very rapidly. Personally, for me, I like the icons on Android 6, but in this 7 the applications are more optimized, using less energy than the 6, and there aren't a lot of bugs. I'm curious because in Android 6 we had a problem with the camera, for example, when you're recording. I don't want whatever, I don't want location tags, but I was saying, when you record, for example, and you start to do recording, you can Android tells you a message, camera failed. So I'm curious in this Android 7 if this fixed, because no one on the internet find a permanently solution. They find only solution for clearing cache or restarting the phone, making this but we will do a clean install of Android 6. So watch us, guys. Please subscribe that button, because we'll do a lot of tutorials and reviews for this phone and the applications and all the problems that you're facing. We're gonna solve them. So in the device maintenance, it's a little different, but it's the same for things. Let's see in the battery, because in the battery I was looking for to go. Let's see, it's full, and you have a new thing here. You can apply to save and extend your battery. It limits yourself, it decreases, you see the brightness. I think the CPU, yes, you will limit your CPU. You can limit your Android. This is a nice function, and you can limit even with a maximum let's see, maximum power saving mode. So it does not have that ultra power saving mode. So this is some kind of ultra power saving mode, you know. In Android 6 it tells us ultra power saving mode, so this is kind of that ultra power saving mode. Personally, I'm a guy who demands from my phone performance, a lot of performance, so it's not about the diversity. I like to change, but you know, if it works and it works good, don't change it. You have some other application like Dolby Atmos, and you can set the intelligent equalizer. You can set it to game the sound, to movie. You can customize this Android even further, you know. Even the calculator has a small redesign. A new feature, for example, is the recording, the voice recording. So for example, I dial the number and I can record the conversation. So it's kind of nice, this, because I have to record some you can record some calls, important calls for you, by clicking this button to record every call. So this is a nice function. I care about this function because I didn't find in Google Play Store a program which can record every single call I made. So this call recorder, it's very nice. So to activate the call recording, go at the phone, go at the settings, and you see here call recording, record notification, and auto record calls, and it will record all the calls. This is a new thing and a great feature for the Android 7. Another thing, you can select the resolution. You can change the screen resolution, and you can make the fonts and the icons smaller or larger. This is a new thing that Android 6 didn't have, and it had only that mode, simple mode, easy mode, or standard mode. You know, keep it simple, because and install yourself, guys, a small number of application, only what you are using, because your battery will be protected. You will have more battery over the day. You will not have that many problems with the operating system and the system, all the phone. It will work faster if you install the applications that are necessary. The Android 7 doesn't have the warning, is disabled the high volume warning in the headphones, and it has some lightning of the key lightning in the settings. You can enable the duration. and you can enable the ambient display. I recommend you to make an upgrade and see if you like it. If you don't like it, you can install, and we have tutorials. We have for downgrading tutorials. And if the video is not posted with installing a fresh new clean system for S7 Edge, we will post those tutorials and reviews more rapidly for you guys, for helping you freely make your phone a great phone that you can use it in business or in pleasure mode. So for now, if you want to see more of the S7 Edge applications on the Android 6, please watch this tutorial on this link, we put it, and support us guys. Thumbs up for this video, subscribe, you know, that button. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day guys, see you, bye.